image file converter that actually convert the image file extension like JPG to PNG, PNG to JPG, or JPEG to PNG, PNG to JPEG, like this. Okay. First of all, I show you the demo. Okay, I make it full screen. File convert your files, upload a files, and choose your desired output format and convert. So I choose a file or drag it here, wallpaper.jpg. Okay, here you can see, choose your output format: PNG, JPG, JPEG, GIMP.webp, and BMP. Okay, so I choose it. Here you can see file name is wallpaper.jpg, so I choose it to PNG, and here you find a button and convert to PNG. Okay, converting. Okay, here you can see conversion complete. Your file has been converted to PNG. Click below to download. You can see download wallpaper.png. We have already converted it, so now we can download it. You click it in the download button. See, it's working. Okay, yeah, you can see it's working. wallpaper.png. So how I build this to show you all the process. First of all, I going to view website. It's created by herself. So first I insert my chart and write this. I can explain it. Okay, I want to create a website that can convert file extension like in PNG to JPG, to PNG, and PNG to JPG. From this picture, I provide a picture or a screenshot given. Create this kind of website with fully functional modern design and cool animation added to the website. Then it's my first conversion is like this. Then I add another head. After upload the file, user can choose the option to convert which extension he would like to download. Then after choose file, here you can see that choose output format. And then after download the file, it should visible the file name and file extension. File should work properly. Okay, then choose file. Okay, after choose convert, you can see it should be visible. Then implement actual file conversion logic, likely using a backend service or API. Hope you understand full process I use for conversion and for change. Here you can see for conversions, conversions. Thanks for watching. We will get an idea to convert your file extensions easily.